Good morning, class 10th. Today discuss about the respiration, and we also told about this what is respiration, why we respire. Again, I repeat, we respire to produce energy. Energy released by process from food is called respiration. Digested food is used to produce energy, help to growth. It is the most important life process. Increase. We can't live without respiration. It is a continuous process to all. It is exothermic process and catabolic process. It is divided into two types: external and internal respiration. External is called breathing. Exchange of respiratory gases is called breathing. It is physical process. Internal respiration or cellular respiration. Energy produced by burning of food inside cell is called cellular respiration or breathing. It is a biochemical process. Respiration divided into two types: aerobic and aerobic. When respiration occurs in the presence of oxygen is called aerobic. It produces more energy due to complete burning of food. Example: human, cow, mango, etc. Give equation: glucose plus O2, CO2, water, energy, 30 trip energy. Anaerobic respiration, when respiration occurs in the absence of oxygen, is called anaerobic respiration. Example: yeast, bacteria, algae, etc. It produces less amount of energy. Glucose produce ethyl CoA, CO2, 2 tip energy in plant. Glucose produce lactic acid, 2 tip energy in case of animal. Now today we discuss also about the mechanism of respiration. During respiration, energy is produced and it is stored in ATP form. ADP plus inorganic phosphate form ATP. ADP means adenosine diphosphate. ATP means adenosine triphosphate. ATP is called energy currency because it break to produce energy for various work. ATP break ADP plus phosphate plus energy about 30.5 kilojoule energy. Mechanism of respiration. Respiration is a complex biochemical process because many organs enzymes are involved. First, glucose break down into two molecules of pyruvic acid. Then pyruvic acid. When pyruvic acid has meet oxygen, then it enter into the mitochondria and produce CO2, water and 30 tip energy. This is the path of the aerobic respiration. But when pyruvic acid has not meet oxygen, and in case plant it produce ethyl alcohol, CO2 and 2 tip energy. This is called fermentation. And in case of animal, when pyruvic acid has not meet oxygen, then pyruvic acid converted into the lactic acid and 2 tip energy. During respiration, first respiratory substrate or food glucose enter into cytoplasm of cell and break down into two molecules of pyruvic acid or pyruvate. This is called glycolysis and it is common for both type of respiration. When oxygen is available, then pyruvic acid enter into mitochondria to start Krebs cycle. Inside mitochondria, pyruvic acid to burn to produce CO2, water, energy. This is pathway of aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration produce more energy than anaerobic respiration due to presence of oxygen. When oxygen is not available, then in case of plant, pyruvic acid produce ethyl alcohol, CO2 and 2 tip energy is called the fermentation. Okay, thank you.